Is your hunger being held hostage by a payment method declined error on Uber Eats? Let's banish that frustration and get your delicious meal on its way fast. First things first, open your Uber Eats app if you see that dreaded message. Don't panic most of the time. It's a simple fix. Tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, we're looking for the account or payment section. Here, you'll see your saved payment methods. This is where we'll start troubleshooting. The most common culprit is outdated card information. Tap on the card that's causing trouble. You might see an option to edit or update your card details. Carefully re-enter your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code on the back. Make sure there are no typos and that the expiry date is current. Even one wrong digit can cause a decline. Still no luck? Let's try adding a completely new payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method and enter your card details from scratch. Sometimes the issue might not be with Uber Eats directly, but with your bank. It's worth checking your banking app or website to ensure your card is active and has sufficient funds. Also, verify if there are any security alerts or blocks on your account. Once you've added a new card or updated your existing one, make sure it's selected as your primary payment method. You can usually do this by tapping on it within the payment method screen. Now head back to your order. Try placing it again with the correct payment details verified. Your delicious meal should now be happily on its way. Problem solved. You're ready to get back to enjoying your favorite food. Happy ordering!